Hello everyone! Welcome to this video where I'm going to share 3 amazing hacks that will totally up your watercolor game. I am Manuela, also known as the Wild Illustrator, and I've been a professional illustrator for over 15 years now. So trust me when I say I've got some serious knowledge to share with you today. But before we dive into the juicy details, I ask you to kindly support me and my art by giving this video a thumbs up and hitting that subscribe button. It really means the world to me and helps me keep creating awesome content like this in the future. Alright, let's start. Hack number 1. Preparing your workplace. This crucial step sets the foundation for a successful artistic endeavor. With care and attention, I usually gather my watercolor supplies, ensuring that no essential tool is left behind. I carefully select each pigment that I think I'm going to use to evoke the desired hues and tones. Accompanying these vibrant colors are a couple of brushes in different sizes, usually number 6 and number 3 for small details, both around the tip. Then I prepare the watercolor paper, cutting it into the size I need if necessary. I choose a location blessed with abundance of natural light, and I arrange my paints in harmonious order, allowing for easy access and swift selection. I place a jar filled with clean water within arm's reach, ready to cleanse my brushes of any lingering pigments. I also made sure to have paper towels nearby for blotting excess water or paint. It is within this serene and harmonious environment that I find solace and inspiration, allowing my creativity to flow freely. So, embark upon your artistic journey with a workspace that gives you confidence and tranquility. Hack number 2. Invest in top-notch materials. When it comes to watercolor painting, the quality of your paints, paper and brushes plays a crucial role in the final outcome of your creations. It is not necessary to buy an excessive amount of materials. Instead, I suggest that you focus on purchasing fewer tubes of paint and brushes, but of good quality. At this point, it is important to select the right color palette. By having a solid understanding of the fundamentals of color theory, you will be able to create an infinite range of shades and hues. Trust me when I say that this investment is truly worthwhile. The vibrant colors and the smooth application of high-quality materials will elevate your artwork to an entirely new level of excellence. Furthermore, these materials will endure for a significantly longer period of time compared to the inexpensive paints that you may come across at discount stores. So, invest in superior materials for your watercolor paintings. The difference in the final result will be impressive, and you will appreciate the longevity and overall quality of your artistic supplies. And finally, hack number 3. Embrace the magic of water. Watercolors are all about the beautiful, fluid nature of the medium, and with their captivating essence offer a world of artistic possibilities. So don't be afraid to play around with water to paint ratios. Adding more water can create stunning washes and blending effects that gracefully spread across the paper, while using less water will give you more control and intensity. It's all about finding that perfect balance. Unleash your creativity. Experiment with various water to paint ratios and witness the transformative power of watercolors as they breathe life into your artwork. So there you have it, my 3 big hacks for improving your watercolor skills. Give them a try and watch your artwork come to life. Remember, practice is essential, so don't get discouraged if things don't turn out exactly as you imagined. Keep experimenting, keep learning, and most importantly, keep having fun with it. Thank you for watching this video. I sincerely hope that you have found it to be helpful. If so, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Your support is greatly appreciated and will help me to continue creating more videos like this one. Thank you. Ciao!